today, I'll be showing you guys how to create a mint page for your collection and randomly generated the NFT collection, if you haven't already done that. All this can be done within minutes and for free. We'll be using a really cool platform called My NFT. The link is going to be in the description. Before we begin the tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more NFT related videos. Now let's get into the video. First things first, make sure you sign in and have either a Solana wallet or an Ethereum wallet. I'm going to use Solana for this tutorial. Let's use the Phantom wallet. A little pop-up should appear. Just press continue and approve. Once you've connected your wallet, we should be able to use the website and create our very own NFT collection. Now let's just go and press get started. We can generate the collection right over here on generate collection, or if we already have our NFTs ready, we can just press new collection. If you haven't made any NFTs yet, you can go watch some of our other videos which show you how to easily create your own. For this tutorial, we are just going to press new collection. And we can start by filling out some information, collection name, symbol, launch date, and more. I'm just going to name this collection example for the sake of this video. Here to the right, we can fill out what the NFTs should be named, the description, mint price, and royalties. I'm just going to keep the name and description at default and change the price and royalties a bit. Yep. That seems about right. Let's press next. Now we can add a folder with all our NFTs, which we want to be available for people to mint. So just upload your folder with all the NFTs and you should be good to go. I have just created a quick folder with pictures of trees to show as an example. If you are happy with all the settings, you can now press continue. All the pictures will now be uploaded. Once the pictures have been uploaded, you will need to approve a transaction. That costs a very little amount of the cryptocurrency you chose for your collection. The transaction cost is below 1 cent. When the transaction fee has been paid, the page should be something like this. This is your mint page, where everyone will be able to mint your NFTs. You can go up here and customize your page. You can add a profile picture, banner, add your social media links, and more. So now when you have customized your mint page, you can now see the supply and how many have been minted. The mint button is here. This was all for this video. It was a little short. If you have any questions, leave them below. Also make sure to subscribe and like this video for more NFT related videos.